polygamous relationship, but I didn't even know about it. I go to Eben Creel. Are you lonely bang?
Yeah!
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. All right, so today I'm not alone. I'm with my girls. I'm with the bitches. I'm with squad. Say hi. Okay, hi guys. I'm LONDYBHENGS.
Hi guys, I'm SEEWEH.
So we are together, are hanging out because we basically want to do the most likely to challenge. So we're very different. Okay, so there's no way that two of us are gonna act the same because we're just not. We're not like that. We can't even understand each other when we speak. We're not like that.
It's just Kay. Yeah.
Mostly Kay. No, let's not lie. Londi can't hear me.
SEEWEH can't even hear you because
exactly, we can't hear each other, all of us.
Wait, now you can't hear us.
Yes,
we hear each other.
You see, we're not hearing each other. We can't hear each other. That's what it means, you guys.
Fair enough.
Okay.
Yes. Xhosa, Zulu from Umlazi, Tswana from Soweto. So we can't hear each other.
Why only Xhosa from Ebukwa? How?
Oh,
I suppose I mean
okay, but I'm not saying
Where the hell is Ebuko?
Bro, you said you from Ebukwa.
Yeah, you said Bukwa.
Wow.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Edukwa.
Oh.
I'm actually not from Umlazi, guys. I'm from Umhlanga.
She's from
Kwazulu.
When Londi was like, oh yeah, Max is very, Max is very nice. Yeah, it's not
Max is so nice. Actually, really elegant.
From Durban, guys.
She made what makes sound like.
What makes it's proper. I can't do more tinties isn't like boy.
Not tinties.
You said
you compared it to Moja.
Friend, you compared it to tinties. You like it makes a connect.
Yes, I thought it was like.
Yeah, it's not even like tinties. Even not even Moja. Tina Cinema VIP. I mean, I've never been there, so.
How normal to me. Okay, so anyway, we're going to get started with the questions. I asked you guys literally like 2 hours ago, but you guys came through. Shout out. You guys gave me so many answers on Instagram, and yeah, let's get started. I want to start from the bottom. The rules of the game that we're playing are basically whoever is voted the most likely to, two people must agree, okay, this person is actually the most likely to, and then that person will take a sip of their. But they can't take like a baby sip. They can't be like bitches about it. They actually have to like
properly
so take a
alcohol to get through.
Yeah, like we have to drink the whole bottle.
At this point,
okay, period. Okay, so let's get started. So who's the most likely to suck toes? 1, 2, 3.
Kay.
SEEWEH.
I hate feet. Right,
Yes. Actually, she hates feet.
I don't mind my toes getting sucked, but I hate
suck. Okay,
most likely to suck.
Yeah, me. Who is the most likely to get lit and leave with a man? 1, 2, 3. Londi. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I changed my mind because
I'll get lit and see him after.
Yeah,
like I can stay with the girls. Yeah. Okay, who's the most likely to cheat on their man? SEEWEH. I have a reason why I'm saying this. We all know that SEEWEH has a soulmate that she does not want to date.
Yeah, does not want to date.
Yeah, not right now.
But they broke up.
Yeah, they broke up. Yes, they broke up.
Okay,
but
that one.
Yeah, you know the one I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So SEEWEH has a soulmate that she's not willing to date right now. So everybody that she's going to date right now, she's most likely to cheat on them. So.
Sorry.
Did you drink?
Drink, baby. I didn't see you.
It's painful to drink because I know it's better.
Okay, so who's the most likely to slap someone because they're getting disrespected? 1, 2, 3.
All of us. Okay, not me. You two.
Yeah.
It's my boobs being in the screen for me.
But I'm more likely to fight with a man than a girl.
Not both.
Like if a guy disrespects me, I'm more likely. A girl, I wouldn't hit as easily.
Really?
Okay, who's the most likely to end up in jail? 1, 2, 3.
Huh? Kay.
Dude, you know Kay? Let me tell you that. When
Girl.
it's time to get into trouble, Kay is actually very respectful. Like last week, like I'm the one who ended up going off at the security.
Yeah, dude,
Kay
I
just
know
came
how
out.
it's finesse.
Kay just came out like someone other.
It was only last
Security
week.
guards love
Actually,
me.
both of you guys. When you were distracted because I was crying last
yeah,
week.
fine.
But then if I wasn't crying, no two, Menzoba, Nila, Payan.
We gassed each other, but like jail.
Hey, friend,
Okay,
can we be
clean.
honest?
Oh my gosh, who's the most likely to get sloshed at a night out?
1, 2, 3.
The lightweight. The lightweight.
This is actually past the food hasn't even gone yet.
Guys, I'm trying.
You're being honest, like I'm a bit.
Are you already lit?
what's coming?
She's already lit.
Already, Nina, my heart.
Okay, so who's the most likely to get married first?
One.
Oh, honey.
That's
But
a year
okay,
ago.
first it was
A year ago.
Yeah.
It would have been different.
No, actually,
It would've
both
been
of us, yeah.
Chobi, do you love? Sweet.
Yes, I'm a lover. What is silent?
She does though. She doesn't get bored.
It's just that I
It's
try-
just a good tea.
It's just
But
that I-
otherwise, Usiwe, I'll see what I'm bobo to shame. She loves love. Oh my baby.
What in Bogo to shame?
Oh my, even when we were in high school, Usiwe was planning a surprise party. Like she was that girl. Tina Umchola, please call.
Please call
I
login.
love you.
No,
Please
meet
call
me at the tuck
login.
shop. That's the
Yes.
time.
Usiwe yena. Surprise
Like
party.
after school,
Need to get a
baby.
gift. I need to get flowers for his mom in high school.
My
Sashulo
God.
L.O.
Satulo N.O. You know, she's planning her wedding. Fuck. Who's most likely to get married but like elope?
1, 2, 3.
I feel like me.
I personally have no desire to have a big wedding. Like,
I'm
I'm fine.
I'll
Like,
video call you guys.
yeah, guys, I'm married.
Okay, Mina, let me justify myself before we.
Okay, yeah, go, and then I'll justify why I think it's me.
Because I'm always going MIA. Then I tell you guys like
yeah,
a few months
okay,
ago,
yeah, that's true.
Oh, this happened.
That's true.
What is the justification?
Because they are too like never said joy. When things are going wrong.
That is so
Actually.
fucking true.
So all of us, so clink clink, cheers.
Who's most likely to be a cool mom?
1,
2,
2, 3.
Oh, mama got jinx.
Only because like SEEWEH's mom is also like a very cool
Serious
mom.
mamas are cool.
Like
So
she
this
is.
isn't about the
But our moms, hey,
Our moms, but literally, they're like a tag team.
and they call each other when isn't the zero.
And also we live so-
and then to catch me outside.
And then I remember, and that day my uncle was even in on it. That day,
Really?
yes, because my mom said, she remember she was trying to scare us. I'm coming. She was gonna use his car. Yo,
Guys, let me
me
tell
and
you,
Londy's mom,
like
I know.
from back then. Remember when you had to hide the hickey? Oh my
Hey, Mara,
God.
All these things happened at your house if you're being very
No.
honest.
We went back to Naturena, and one thing about your mom, if she saw that,
They should know that
it's
they
just
have.
the anxiety of having ingane ntombazane and they don't know what's bagephi. 1 minute we sleeping at Kay's house, 1 minute we going to my house. Is
What we should have done
grade
was,
8,
when did you guys become friends?
grade when I went to Mondio, grade 10.
Oh, okay, because I was gonna say we should have all skimana and then. Yo,
Your Siwa was what?
If we had SEEWEH's mom back when we were doing what we did,
Yeah, no, that would be great.
great.
But my thing is, we thought we were wild in grade 8. Oh, SEEWEH in grade 8? Are you mad? Ha! You lying.
Show me, Scanty, have you ever gone to Good Kush?
Anytime on the good.
No, if you ever gone to Good Kush or Hood versus Burbs, you wild. Who's most likely to queen for Rex?
What's queen?
Yeah, dude.
What?
Ziggy ziggy hi hi. Would you do it?
Would you do it?
No, but like how
Okay,
like
wouldn't do
prostitution
that.
vibes or
Yeah.
no, I thought like you're mad, like become like date someone who has like
Oh,
oh no, I
If it's
wouldn't
a
like
mutual
do-
relationship.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be like, oh, you're gonna give me 50,000, then I
No,
no, but
no,
I date
no.
someone for the,
Guys, when we don't like someone, even when we go to a party and we don't like niggas,
yeah, no, a nigga can't walk up to me at a party and be like, hey, can I give you 50,000 to have sex with me tonight? I won't do that. But if he shares me and I know he has money, then I date him. I date a
Like
guy
if there's
for money,
like a
but I wouldn't.
build-up to the
There's a relationship.
Mentally,
Makes
you know,
sense.
No.
oh no,
But
like,
not
it's
just
sorry.
ziggy hi. No.
Who's most likely to get a divorce first? So if you were all married, who's most likely to get a divorce? First of all,
1, 2, 3.
Nah, you are okay.
First of all, you pointed
For
at
me
yourself.
to get I pointed at you.
See, that's a lie, shame. One thing about my friend, she knows her worth. Like, if you do lazy,
But for me to marry
she's also
you-
very petty.
Bitch.
Okay.
No,
exactly.
guys. I feel like the main reason why people feel like this is because I'm very clear about what I want and what I like. So it's like you can't fuck it up when someone tells you exactly. Like if someone is telling you this, and then you decide to do your own thing, I'm just like, you're not listening by kind of thing.
Exactly the point.
So it's
And also, I don't think divorce is a bad thing.
Say it's not.
So
Sela.
who would like to have a sex tape? Never me. Have a brand.
Yeah, actually, I mean, SEEWEH. Let's do it spontaneous.
SEEWEH would be like, let's
Let's
record
do it. Let's do that. Does my blood look good?
Hello guys!
Yeah.
Let me tell you what I fucking saw on Tuesday. So I saw her nudes, right? But like it wasn't just her alone. And these nudes were the cover of a playlist.
Huh?
And the guy's
Oh,
a musician.
Wait, what?
Yes. The guy's a musician. No. Let's play 30 seconds. The guy's a musician. You guys have nudes together and it was the cover of a playlist.
Oh. Okay, fine. I'll take that out.
Who's that?
Okay, so who's most likely to lie about where they are? 1, 2, 3. Me. You.
Guys, can I Durban, sweetie.
No, but she told me.
No, but
Oh,
she lied
in
to
general.
Yes.
Wait, lie to who? To us or to the general public? Because
No, like in general. Let me tell you guys.
What did she like to the general public?
Yeah, you will.
When she lied, she posts after 2 weeks. We just want to.
But let me tell you guys about Kay. When I met Kay's
Okay,
for the
weird.
okay,
my
it wasn't the first time, but she was like, oh, when I will alone because every time before Kay came out, well not came out, but like told her mom that
Before I told my mom I'm dating boys
yes,
now.
about dating boys, she would always be like, I'm at SEEWEH, girl. She was
like, oh, SEEWEH up to you.
See, my house is too close,
I
so she could pull up.
Yeah, no, I couldn't say Londi. Londi's house is literally like so.
So yes, so
No.
it's Kay. For me, it's Kay.
For
Okay,
me, it's
I guess
SEEWEH.
we're both separate.
Okay, yeah,
For me,
yeah.
it's SEEWEH.
Who's most likely to get into polygamous marriage or relationship?
1, 2, start.
Polygamous.
I mean, I don't even want to lie.
Shame, I won't lie. I didn't have an
Same
answer.
friend. Cheers to that.
You.
I
don't know why I'm
I was in a polygamous relationship, but I didn't even know about it.
Same.
So,
Same.
Okay,
what's
wait.
the difference?
Okay, I was in a polygamous relationship, but I actually knew about it. It wasn't polygamous, it was open. So everybody had their own
I mean,
people.
it was polygamous.
But you didn't know.
I go to Eben Creel. Are you LONDYBHENGS?
Oh my
No,
god,
Now,
I hate
no,
her.
it's not even just Ujo. Now we're Ujona.
No, Pella, I was the main chick.
Do you know that for sure?
In period.
For sure.
For sure.
You're
That's
the
why
main
I was the biggest clown. Because I was the main chick.
You're the main chick is always a fucking
yeah.
clown. Yo, I know ways.
Like, I'll never be in a relationship where I know ukuthi umuntu uchita ngani.
Oh,
like,
yeah,
uchita
yeah,
nani,
yeah, I hear you.
Like, I'm not that type of cat. Like,
Okay, friend, have you
everything
ever
about men is
Yes,
sad.
because that's why I broke up with. Because then he was actually dating me, and don't worry about her.
Even the guy from
Oh, the girl who acted like she was your friend, but she was the
even the guy with a lot of babies. Can't you come like
hey, breezy.
the Scorpio James.
Did he not call me in years? I think last thing is I'm so.
Why?
No, highlight and
Because no one's pregnant right now.
highlight and put in bold. I'm sorry for whatever I did to you. Highlight whatever.
I hate when niggas try to make you figure out what happened.
And
You know, you almost
too
feel
late now
like,
to say sorry.
oh, well, she died.
That's what I said. Like, oh, thank God.
And McDonald Khalila Makiko.
Who is most likely to Shapastina?
1, 2, 3.
SEEWEH.
I'm from North York. I feel like most girls know this, like this ego. Yeah, who's angam
Before my current ex.
One friend,
Anyways, you get the gist. Before that,
you know what's so weird? Do you know what is so weird about me, LONDYBHENGS and SEEWEH? I'm a Capricorn. She's a Scorpio, and you're a Sag. Like we're compatible. Like we're compatible, but we're too different. Like we're too different, dude. Like for me, it's like make a decision, let's go. Like cut and dry, let's do it. Londi was like, but we're still compatible. And then with her, it's like depends on who it is.
Yeah.
Kind of thing, wabo. So when Londi tells me a story, I'm like, fuck. But with her, it's like, okay, I understand your relationship with this person, so sure. It can be different. Okay, so basically what was happening is I was trying to make Londi make a decision, right? Londi couldn't make the decision. I closed the door. I said, you'll come out of this room and you make the decision. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
I don't sleep with the lights off.
Yes, yeah, Londi's scared of the dog. It stems from whatever. But for me, I've got a religious belief against fear.
Yeah, I get you.
So with me, it's like the devil gives you fear, but God is not somebody who will give you fear. That's why, like, you must go. For me, it's either you dive into life or life will fucking dive into you.
But one thing about my friends, guys, they held me down.
Yeah, because we're different enough, but we still understand each other enough.
No, like,
she has to twerk.
Like,
I'm understanding.
so yeah, one thing about my friends, like, it's very important, guys. Yo, this is
it's important
not related to the video. Like,
yeah,
guys,
but it's important to be friends with people who are compatible to you. You have to. It's not just a relationship, guys. Like sometimes you really force friendships with people that are not compatible with you.
For the longest of time, okay has been like that person in my life. You know how she say make a decision. Even before okay was like born again, if I could say. Yeah, because
it only happened on our 17.
Yeah, before Kay was born again, like she's always been so protective, if I can put it in that manner. Like okay has always been that person. Then when I went to Mondio, SEEWEH was that person for me. Yeah. I understand.
But then I started forcing Londi to be that person for herself.
For myself. You understand? So basically, guys, now
okay, what these two have taught me is me being insensitive doesn't work. Like I can be insensitive.
Yeah.
Like I can really be like, dude, I don't get why you're doing this. You know the logical explanation. Sometimes it works. Like my logic works, right? But sometimes it's good to be like SEEWEH and like be understanding, and it's good to be like Londi and be emotional about it. But sometimes it works to be like me and be logical. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
That's the one. Okay,
natural.
Guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. We love you guys so much.
God bless you guys
more.
Yes.